Okay, students, let's continue. Actually, due to some technical problem, आपकी वीडियो स्टॉप हो गई थी. Let's continue. The night of the scan, workmen carried Tut from the tomb in his box like pallbearers. They climbed a ramp and a flight of stairs into the swirling sand outside, then rose on a hydraulic lift into the trailer that held the scanner. The same night, when they were scanning the dead body of Tut with the help of CT scan, some workmen went into the valley of tomb where the dead body of Tut was resting. जहाँ पर डेड बॉडी टूट की रेस्ट कर रही थी, उस टॉम के अंदर गए. एंड टॉम वाज जस्ट 26 feet underneath the ground. The tomb was 26 feet underneath the ground. जमीन से वो 26 feet नीचे थी, वहाँ पर वो गए. और then after, with the help of a hydraulic lift, they took out the coffin of Tut and went through the scans. They made a picture of picture of Tut body with the help of CT scan. But when they were scanning the dead body, a pair of white plastic fan stopped working. जो प्लास्टिक फैन लगे हुए थे स्कैन करने के लिए उसके टुट की डेड बॉडी के, वो अचानक वहाँ पर काम करना बंद कर दिए. The $1 million scanner had fit because of sand in a cooler fan. Why the scanner stopped working? Just because of sand coming into its fan, into its body. उसकी बॉडी में सैंड आ गए थे, जिसकी वजह से वो फैन चलना बंद हो गया था. और किसी ने वहाँ पर some person standing there made a joke. What kind of joke did he make? Curse of the pharaoh. It happened. We are going to face curse of the pharaoh. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम फेरो यानी कि हम किंग के कर्ज को फेस करने जा रहे हैं, इसीलिए हमारे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. That's why we are getting unweird things here. एक गार्ड ने वहाँ पर जोक किया. Eventually, the substitute fans worked well enough to finish the procedure. They had a substitute fan, and after a little bit, they reassembled the second fan, the substitute fan, and the procedure was done. After checking that no data had been lost, the technician turned Tut over to the workman who carried him back to his tomb less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin. और 3 घंटे से कम लगे उसके सारे स्कैन्स करने में. उसके डेड बॉडी की सारी स्कैनिंग 3 घंटे के अंदर हो गई. और चेक करने के बाद कि कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कोई डाटा वगैरह लॉस हो गया है, तो उसके बाद उसे दोबारा उसके टॉम में रख दिया गया. The pharaoh again rested in peace where the funerary priest had laid him so long ago. जहाँ पर funerary priest ने उसे बहुत साल पहले उसे रेस्ट करने के लिए रख दिया था. Back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images uploaded on a computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels, and the technician spun and tilted it in every direction. उसे फिर से हाइड्रोलिक ट्रेलर में उसे रखकर उसके दोबारा जहाँ पर उसके रेस्टिंग प्लेस था, जहाँ पर उसका टॉम था, वहाँ पर उसे दोबारा रख दिया गया. और उसके 3D का यूज, एक्चुअली जब वो पिक्सल निकाला गया तो इट वाज इन 3D. उसके जितने भी क्या नाम है पिक्चर थे सब डायमेंशन में थे। आप इसका मतलब कि आप इधर से देखिए, राइट से देखिए, लेफ्ट से देखिए, आपको वो सेम ऐसे ही दिखेगा। नेक्स्ट, vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy class, and it means its backbone. Its backbone, yes. Actually, you know, backbone जो होती है जिस तरह से बैकबोन, और इसकी बैकबोन when the picture of the backbone were taken, it was as clear as it used to be at time of his death. Everything was very clear. It means this ahead, several views of the rib cage, sitting back in his and a projection of the skull. It's talking about skull. Everything was in a good condition when the CT scan was done. The picture of each and every limb was in a good condition, and it was enough to identify what happened to him. Zai Hawass smiled, but for now the pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, Zai Hawass smiled. Zai Hawass was smiling, sitting back into his chair, and the pressure that he was facing to the supervisor was now over. I did not sleep last night, not for a second, he said. I was now so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. Actually, due to this process, he was not getting any sleep, but after completing the task, he was able to get some sleep after the work has been done. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs to the sandy ground, the wind had stopped. The winter air lay cold and still like death itself. In this valley of the departed, just above the entrance to Tutstone, stood Orion, the constellation that ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, the god of the afterlife, watching over the Waikiki. This is the end of the chapter. Now students, go through this chapter and try to understand the meaning, because in this chapter lots of difficult words are to be used and you have to memorize them. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.